perfect day. We're all spinning on our heels, so far away from real, in California. We watched the sunset from our car, we all took it in, and by the time that it was dark, you and me had something, yeah. And if this is what we've got, then what we've got is gold. We're shining bright and I want you to know the morning's on its way. Our friends will say goodbye, there's nowhere else to go. I hope that you'll stay the night.
Hoy ha comenzado la Copa del Rey, tenemos ya 2 semifinalistas.
Estamos en Jalón de Cameros, en la explotación de Pilar Blanco y César Sáenz, la única de cerdo ibérico que hay en La Rioja.
El 3 de febrero de 1981. Valladolid se levanta con 4 grados bajo cero y la resaca.
This is what we've got, the what we've got is gold. We're shining bright and I want you to know the morning's on its way. Our friends will say goodbye. There's nowhere.
Los preparativos en marcha.
Para. Es que no haces caso, ¿no?
No, es que estoy pensando en... Y están en marcha ya todos los preparativos. Estamos en Brañavieja, en los accesos a la estación invernal Alto Campo. Estamos a 48 horas de la apertura de la temporada invernal y han comenzado